Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace the drip tray in your Samsung refrigerator. It's an extremely easy thing to do and it does not require any tools whatsoever. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. Now the main reason that you're going to wind up doing this is one, perhaps it's been misplaced, or it's been a long time since you've taken it out and had it cleaned, or you've just moved into the home, the fridge has been there, and it's never had any attention at all, in which case it's probably stuck and gummed up and needs to be removed to be cleaned. So to remove the drip tray, it's typically pretty easy. You really just need to get your finger and a fingernail underneath the edge and give it a bit of a push, and the tray will lift out. But in some cases, you'll find these have probably been a little bit gummed up or sticky, and that it doesn't seem like it even comes out at all, in which case you're going to need a small blade screwdriver, and you'll see there's a little slot in the very back where you can insert that screwdriver and just pop it up and out, and then you can just take it right out. Replacement is even easier. It simply goes in, and the way it's shaped, it can only go in one way. You just bring it in place and set it in, and you're good to go. And it's just that easy to replace the drip tray in your Samsung refrigerator.